In this video, I'm going to teach you how to accept Meta Business Manager invite. So if you ever in a situation where you need to manage someone else's business manager, then in that case, this video can actually help you. First thing you need to do is to head over to business.facebook.com. You should be able to see in here this. So what we can do in this part is to either log in using Facebook or log in using Instagram. Let me head over and then log in with this as well. From in there, you should be able to see in here this. So this is our actual Meta Business Suite wherein we can switch between user profiles and do bulk uploads. So this is my Facebook page. And if you ever receive an email notification asking you to be someone else's business manager, then what you can do is you can just head over to that particular invite. So from in there, you should be able to see in here this option. So from there, you should be able to see your business portfolios. So you can see in here your account as well as all the portfolios that you can manage. So the email for that looks like this. You just need to head over and then see that particular email that you have received. Then click onto this get started right here. You should be able to see that the Facebook Business Manager, you will be given access to that particular business that you can see on the email. Click onto the button and then just follow the on-screen instructions in order to successfully be accepted for that particular role. So we also have in here this article by Meta that can help us. You just need to enter first and last name that you want to appear in the portfolio. Click on continue. However, if you do want to decline, you can click on the decline invitation. You just need to review the on-screen information when you're agreeing to accept the invitation and click on the accept option. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.